Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about 5 helpful Windows settings. So the first one is a setting that allows you to put the icons from the center to the left. I know a lot of people miss that, like from Windows 10, but there's a way on Windows 11 now. So all you have to do is type taskbar here, taskbar settings, and then you just go to taskbar behavior, then change this alignment to left. As you can see, they're over to the left like they were in Windows 10. Alright, so next is a feature where you can basically like sync what you have copied with like other devices such as your phone. So first you just have to go to clipboard settings. And as you can see, there's an option that says clipboard history across your devices. Basically you just have to enable this, make sure that's set. And I think you have to have the Windows app. It's called like Windows Phone Link or something like that. You have to have it installed, and then it'll basically sync whatever you have on your computer to your phone, as long as you're logged into the same account through Windows. So next is voice typing. So basically all you have to do is click the Windows key and H. This comes up. Then all you have to do is click on this, and then it should start typing. As you can see up here in the search bar, it actually types what I'm saying. I just thought that was pretty cool. I thought it was only in like document apps that you could do this, but no, you could do it in Windows in general. So next is the task manager. I know on Windows 10 it used to be where you could right click here and you could get to it, but then eventually Windows 11 changed this so you'd have to type in search and then go to it. But now apparently they've added it again to the search or to the taskbar. So all you have to do is right click and you could see it here. Click on it, you'll get to the taskbar. So I think that's pretty handy. Alright, so finally is themes. Now, you probably know about like the regular themes like Windows has here, but you could also browse it on the Microsoft Store, and it gives you a lot more options that you can use. So as you can see here, there's a lot of like really cool pictures like of nature and animals and stuff like that. Some of them are paid, as you can see. But yeah, I think that's really cool, and honestly I didn't realize it until very recently, so just figured I'd share it. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you learned something from this video, and thanks for watching.